Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the exact update ID and Windows 10 build so you target the correct package. Once done, pause antivirus and VPNs because they commonly block update components. Open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scano. This repairs corrupted system files. After sfc completes, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fetch and repair the component store. These steps clear local corruption that typically triggers error 0x800f0831. Next, you identify which package is missing by scanning the Windows Update log and CBS. Log for the KB number, that tells you what to fetch. Then download the exact KB. MSU or CAB from the Microsoft Update catalog. Mismatched versions cause repeat failures. If it's an MSU, install with WUSA. EXE, if it's a CAB, use dism/online/add package with the full path. Make sure to run these installers elevated and reboot if prompted so component changes take effect. To finish, run the Windows Update troubleshooter to reset common settings and then retry updates. This often clears residual issues. If failures continue, reset the Windows Update components manually. Stop services, rename software distribution and cacheroute to, then restart services, because corrupted caches often cause 0x800f0831. If that still fails, perform an in-place upgrade repair using the Windows 10 installation media. It preserves apps and settings while repairing the update stack. If problems persist, note error text and logs for targeted help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.